Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. And I will show you two options how you can do this. The first option is click here on your desktop with your right mouse click, go to View and then go to Show Desktop Icons and now click on this. Boom, now it's gone. And if you want to get it back, you click here on the right mouse click again, View, we go to Show Desktop Icons and right now it's back. So this is the first option. The second option is just delete the app right here. Go to Start, click on All, search for the app that you want to add. Now for me it's Adobe Photoshop. Then click on it with your left mouse click and throw it to your desktop. So right now it's back, and this is the second option how you can hide desktop icons in Windows 11. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.